What's up, guys? This is Sterling Andrews here, and here we are going to open two new Furby Furblets that are part of the new Wave 2 series that are just coming out this year, and I was able to get a hold of two of them, which are DahTee and Parte, both of them which I found at my local Walmart. And there's exactly four of in the Wave 2 series, along with a couple that are Amazon exclusives, which I don't have yet, but I really hope to get them soon. But I do have one more that's on the way, which I bought before these two. It's Mermaid, but since she's from Amazon, it's going to take a while for her to come and, But I'll probably do an unboxing video of her or something like that, but today we're just going to unbox these two, because these are the two I bought at my local Walmart, which I was very shocked to find, and I am super excited to open them and actually see them in action, like hear their noises and their songs and everything. I'm super excited to open them. So let's get on to it. The first one I'm going to open up is DahTee, and then I'll do Parte after DahTee. So I'll move Parte right here, and let's open the box. Try to get this open. Get the tape off. Here. I think I got it. Here we go. There we go. Got the tape off. Just put it right there for now. And let's open her up. DahTee. Let's undo the zip tie. See, there's a zip tie right there. Let's undo it. It's fairly easy for these, thankfully. It's almost there. There we go. There we go. It's all undone. And here is DahTee, aka the country Furblet, because she plays country songs, which is pretty cool for this one. And it looks so cool in person. It reminds me a lot of the pink polka dots Furby Boom, which has this exact color. And that's one of the things I love about DahTee. She looks so similar with her fur color of pink and white polka dots. This is so cool. Well, let's push her head and see her come to life for the first time in person. So here we go. And since she's in try me mode, the way to get out of it is to press the head and then press the mouth to get out of try me mode. And now she's in normal play mode now. That's a pretty good one there. This is so cool. DahTee is a really cool one. I really love this one. And I also love how she has a green keychain and the shade of it too. It's so cool. You can clip her on a backpack or jeans or whatever you want to do. It's so cool. You can even pick her up like this. This is so cool. Well, that's DahTee, guys. And now we're going to unbox Parte next. So let me turn her off now and we'll get on to unboxing Parte. And that's DahTee. I'll set her right here, and now let's open up Parte. So let me try to get the tape off of this one. There we go. Got the tape off both sides, and now let's open Parte up. And now last, we just need to undo the zip ties here, which are fairly easy again. And we got it off. Here's Parte. Wow, this one's so cool in person. I love the Fiesta colors it has. And the shade of orange keychain that it has too. It's kind of like beige orange almost, but you know, it's so cool. Well, let's press her head and make her come to life for the first time, and also get her out of try me mode too. She has a really cute voice. Here, let's hear her songs. That's a reused harmonized sound from Melanie. And that's Parte, guys. This is definitely a really cool one. Well, let's turn her off, and that'll be about it. Alright, let me turn her off now. And those are two of the new Wave 2 Furblets that I got from my local Walmart and 5 in box today. And that's the whole unboxing of these two new Furblets, DahTee and Parte. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful unboxing of these two new Furblets I got for my Furby collection. And if you want to see more videos of my Furbies and other stuff, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as it means a lot to me and everything. And hope you enjoy the content I make and try really hard to make for you guys and everything. And, well, that's all I gotta say. Well, thanks for watching, and peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.